So first, let's talk about dropshipping. Dropshipping is by far the easiest way to start an online business. If you're unsure what dropshipping is, it's an e-commerce model whereby the retailer acts as a middleman between the supplier or the manufacturer and the customer. Essentially, dropshippers never hold any inventory, so when they sell a product to a customer, they purchase it straight from the supplier who ships it direct to the customer. It's pretty simple actually. Over the past few years, it has become even easier to get into dropshipping. Chinese dropshipping platform AliExpress provides an easy way for potential online business owners to find and sell products. Now, the vast majority of dropshipping products sold online today are actually from AliExpress because this easily accessible platform is so intuitive to use and you don't need to pay for access like you do with many other dropshipping directories. That said, AliExpress isn't the only place to find winning dropshipping products, but it is good for beginners to get started. Dropshipping and dropshipping from AliExpress in particular has become so popular that many e-commerce website builders have inbuilt systems to help e-commerce store owners import products quickly and easily without much work at all. And that includes DashNex PowerTech, which you can get a huge discount on in the link in the description. So head there now if you're looking for an e-commerce builder. It should also be mentioned that with the dropshipping e-commerce model, there are submodels within it that you really need to consider too. Now, we won't discuss those in this video, but there is a link in the description to an article which tells you all about those subcategories too. So let's look at the pros of dropshipping. So firstly, your initial investment to get started is pretty low. You don't need to spend anything on products before you've sold them. Secondly, you can swap and change and add products whenever you feel like it. You can test products and get rid of any of them if they're not selling, which means you're never stuck with any inventory, which can be a blessing for business owners. Next, you can usually get up and running in lightning fast time. In fact, if you're wanting to get your e-commerce site up and running fast, DashNex PowerTech may be your best option. You can head to the link in the description to find out how even the least tech-savvy entrepreneurs can build a website in a matter of hours. Now, as with everything, dropshipping does have its cons as well. So firstly, you have less control over fulfillment and order times, meaning you need to find a reliable supplier who ships products to your customers in a timely manner. Next, you're reliant on other people's inventory. If they run out of stock, you run out of stock. And finally, if you're using AliExpress or another overseas brand, you're likely to experience longer shipping times, meaning your customers will experience longer wait times. Hey guys, love this video? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you get all the e-commerce goodness when it comes out. And remember, if you're looking for a platform to build your e-commerce site, head on to the link in the description for your special DashNex PowerTech offer. See you next time.